y'all saw, your girl went ahead and made breakfast. Lunch. Only thing I didn't make was dinner. And I'm going to do that as soon as I get home. You know, so I should really take out the shrimp though for going detox. I've been craving curry shrimp and mashed potato for the longest. So I feel like that's gonna be for dinner. But y'all saw what I did for lunch. Tacos. Clock it. And then for breakfast, I only did the Andy Dandy Red Bull, and I made my yogurt bowl. I thought we had granola at home, but apparently not. So that's why I never add granola to it. And I went ahead and write down the order them, because even though it's on my phone, I'm so much better when I physically go in and write it down. So we're heading inside Kingston now. Like, I just woke up and my mind just said call Earth Elements. Call Earth Elements, they had what I want. Even though I went ahead and ordered it online, I'm like, you know what? Make us see if we can pump up the process a little bit. It's not enough, but it still works. You can clear out some orders instead of sitting down and waiting until Thursday when my shipping company say forward for the package them. You can go on, you know, whip it up a little bit in all honesty. So I call Earth Element, and then the mind say call coconut board. And I know coconut board go already. If you guys are OG cakesters, I don't know or coconut board go already. Call one piece of rigmarole, one piece of attitude. In the mornings I play gospel to start my day. If I don't read my Bible, I'm gonna play gospel, and then in the night when I'm unwinding, I go in with my Bible verse. And the song that was playing was God Favors Me. And then when I called coconut board, I finally get through. The lady's like, only a few left on the shelf, only a few. And I'm like, could you do me a favor? She's like, yeah, what's your name? I'm telling her Kim, and she's like, okay, I'll put it down for you. And I just was left in awe because the fact that the song said God favors me. It was just a wow moment for me. And then after that, I'm gonna say, no, what? I'll whip up some food and ting. And that's what you guys saw. So yes, that's the morning update. We're heading inside Kingston now. It's about the driving on my head. Get me I go clock tower first, in all honesty. Coming out, go uptown and come back downtown. So we're going clock tower first because I know exactly where I'm going. The grape really add the sweetness to the yogurt. Guys, if you don't want to try Greek yogurt, get the vanilla one in Price Smart and just add grapes to it. The yogurt alone still have a buzz, but when you add the grape to it, it's a nicer buzz. And you can add granola. This was normally my go-to. I have to eat off this on the tool. Because once me going to half a tree, yes, the people them drive crazy. So I finally reach a cocktail. Guys don't could tell me stay. So Greek yogurt tearing up and well, I'm more yes, I try to one cute little video. I'm looking full of you so full up. At the Greek yogurt. See that? Somebody still left on it. I don't know if it's so serious, man. I'll have to buy one wipe some one little girl. You know what's crazy? The wiper guy asked me for money. I said, I don't have no money, you know. See little girl, I'm said, but I need a wipe. So I take the wipe somewhere. That good lady said, no, you say they ever have $100, brother. Somebody just wipe it for free, sir. Actually, one wipes. So we're gonna run inside and come back out. I won't take you guys on this part because it's clock tower and clock tower. It's pretty in and out, and the whole vlogging and everything, yes, so it's not really wise. So when I come back in, I couldn't know if I get the stuff. So we got the items, well, they're on the back seat. So I gotta head to coconut board now. Pretty in and out, but I'm gonna take a little time still. When you stamp the paper? Yeah, I'm stamp it. The first time I stamp it. Yeah, I gotta head to coconut board now. Yes, babe, what's the tea now? Reach a coconut board now. I'm going to run inside and grab it. As I tell you, then they said them put it down for me. I want to do a TikTok, you know, I'm gonna do one of my Millionaire series. Somebody started, hopefully pull through up on the end. Oh, yes. Back in the car, we got the gallon bottle of coconut oil. I feel like something could have managed not too long ago. When I reach at Earth Elements, I put in the gallon bottle of coconut oil for the next one. That was pretty quick though, I won't lie. It's 12:31. I will 3 people reverse one time. I will leave minutes to 11. I'm stopped for me reverse. So I got in at Earth Elements, she know. We can fast, head over. I got this at the toll, I will look at eating spot. I reach by the toll, I can eat my lunch. I can eat my lunch and I want pee and it's overcast. What can go so? And I don't think anywhere else where I'm going has a restroom. And then people are fight. May have to go to. Yeah. I wish I could teach the girlies how to drive because baby, I'm a good driver. I feel like I drive really well for my gender. And I know that driving shouldn't be for gender, but I feel like I drive really good for my gender. Like, don't feel like I can close up a spot for me. Closing that up on yourself. Because, baby, I'm a squeeze it in. Period. I can chat to see. Reach our 8 elements now. We're gonna run, go inside and grab it quick and fast. We want to reach over for rain and all of that. I was supposed to ask the Kojic. How much in the Kojic again? 2.5 ounce for 5,000. And I said 2.5 ounce. I'm gonna take my own so work with this. I use that. They like it. The width. Yeah. How much is the fee Kojic again? 5,000. Secure the goodies. I'm going back in my car. If we can guess how much soap this can make, you get a free ash soap bar of your choice. Go ahead and guess. Let you know that I get it right. So we use up all the cash we have. When I'm going back home on the toll, I have to go use cord. Once I drinky drink, I eat my taco. When I'm first stop at the gas station or they ask them if them have. You have Coca-Cola? How much for you? Can I get one? Ciao. Perfect. I know I shouldn't be drinking any soda, but baby steps, spooky. Baby steps. It doesn't happen overnight. Yo, I have this thing where I just blow and my water. I don't know why. I always blow. I don't know. Head home. I feel like I'm going to drive Mandela because I don't have the money to go on the tour. Life of a business owner. You restock. When you look at you're left with $0. Zero. What time? I feel like we can go up on the Mandela. I don't want to hear one joke. My taco expire. Just take one bite and the taco expired. Even though the taco expired, the sauce really did its big one. I need to start doing this more often. It's just that I don't like warm up food. I bet I'm married too, but I like warm up food. But I'm gonna eat this and head home. Drive in Mandela. I'll pick you guys up once I am at home. I just want to scream, guys, literally. I want to go outside and make products because I got the table and everything, but the table can't hold inside the house. I was like, you know what? I'm going to use the table outside. But outside don't have the roof. Because I wanted to do one go. But now I get to use the table. And let's put it in my room. And I low-key don't want to do that. Table big bad. I can go so 117. Don't play with it. Selling 120. And that was the tool. And I went on the Mandela. I'm already there 2 minutes away from me. So clock that. You know to put more weird because why my scheme not have no rain? I don't even want to show them my scheme up. My scheme is so bright and sunny. Why let me can put them outside? Put my Satan backyard. Get weird. But I just hurry up and do them. Put them outside, make them start ferment. Yeah. So Pookie, we're home. I did the video. I'm gonna go inside and edit it. It's 1:41. I think we're on a road today. I think we're on a decent road today. I'm going to go inside, edit that video, and make products in between. I went ahead and changed because I was doing a promotional video for Moya Sweet Corner. And guys, the cupcakes and the cookie was too good for me to just do it for TikTok alone, so including it in the vlog. So she really actually deserves this show. So she's also a cakesters and she bakes cakes. So yeah, sent over this sugar cookie. This one personally I don't like sweet, so it's not going to have a high rating for me. It's a 6 out of 10. My sister would definitely give this a 10. Like she not taste it yet, but I know she should give it a 10 because she love like sweet stuff. For me, I don't like sweet stuff. For my next cookie, Jesus, my name is before me even do the video, guys. Murder. This though is my personal favorite. I'm gonna place an order for more of these from her. This is a strawberry crunch. It have like this cheesecake type of vibe to it. And I love a cheesecake. This? Okay, it'll work at 10 for me. That one I'm not sure. We can give it the sugar cookie, but this I'm not sure. I love the texture of it. I love the base that she used. I try to remember which snack it tastes like, but it does not come to mind. One tastes like the buttercake strawberry biscuit, like the crumbs up on the top, like a dachi crush. It has a right balance. I'm not over the food. And bear in mind, a lot of people reach out to me for the treat, and I tell them no because I don't do sweet treat. But when Moya message me and tell me she's in high school and she'll start her business, I'm like, girl, send it over. Just make me know if it's too sweet for them. No. I'm gonna be honest in my review. I'm gonna do sweets. And she lived up to the expectation. She really did. And I already that came and sugar, so I'm drinking some water. The last item that she gave me is this cupcake, and I really actually love the concept. So you get an Oreo on top, and the frosting that she give you is Oreo based frosting, and then the actual cupcake is Oreo too. When I never see that, me never ever see that. Probably me not part of the cupcake world, but me never ever see that. Like the fact that it have so much Oreo, that thing say like it probably be overpowering, or it that be too much Oreo and get clouded. Nah, it was the right balance. So I gave this one a solid 8 out of 10. My least favorite was a sugar cookie cause me I love sugar. Man, I love it, man, I love it, man, I love it. I already sweep on the inside and the out. But go ahead and check out Moya Sweet Corner on Instagram and place an order or two. Because she's a cakester, you know, do over here, so support the cakesters them, right? Right. So that's it for what I'm currently doing. I'm going to go ahead and edit those videos on my laptop because for some strange reason on my phone, like clips I take from the DJI, it makes me look pale. I don't know why. Like even the direction video, I had to do it on my phone and I look so freaking pale. So I'm like, nah, I'm going to do it on my laptop and then pick you guys up. I was going to put some soap for going more, but may I think about it, may I go and think about it some more. So it's later in the night and I just checking in with you guys. Let me show you guys what I've been up to. Because I feel as if like you never fully know me that though. Even though I'm telling them, but I never showing them. So I did the tax video. It was approved for posting, so I'm going to post it tomorrow. I could have posted it today, but and then I went ahead and did the pastry video. Yeah, so all I need to do with the pastry video is to add the voiceover. And currently I'm helping one of my clients with the taxes because they need extra verification to get them federal because first time filer type of thing. So we're going through now to see how best we can do the verification. So that's what I have going on. I currently need to go and make some more shampoo and conditioner and finish up my wholesale order, but hell, I ain't gonna record that. Like, me need to go hands on, like, me need to lucky and so, yeah. If I get to make my shrimp because mommy had potato and I left some of the tenders from earlier and just add the barbecue sauce. So we're not buying any food today. Today our spending total is 200 JMD. If we want to add the total, it'll be a little bit fancy, 600. But the total wasn't really from me, it was from the business. So we'll spend 200, right? So I'm going to go ahead and close out this video. I hope that you guys loved this video. Is here to just give a little motivation and a little insight as to like how some of my days are. It's not every day it's like this. Not every day I'll be super productive. It's not every day I'll be calm type of thing. Every day is different, but I hope this serves as some motivation. Yeah, remember I have 24 hours, we can use it to the best of our ability, right? That is it for the vlog. Our secret emoji is gonna be girl. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.